CMIS 3114. Data Communication and Computer Networks. 2020. Practical Sessions. Connect end devices through a route. Previous lesson we learned how to connect end devices through a switch. We identifies those networks as a LAN. Local area network. When we need to connect two LANs we need to connect them through a router. Then it come a WAN. Open Packet Tracer. As we done in the previous lesson, let's create two LANs. Go to left bottom corner. Select end devices. Select PC, click on it. Add 4 PCS. Select network devices. Select switches, click on it. Select 296024TT switch. Add 2 of them. Let's connect our PCS to the switch. Go to connections and choose straight through cables. Because we are going to connect different devices. As we done in the previous lesson, choose fast Ethernet ports in the both devices. Now set IP addresses for the PCS. For the first LAN, we give Class C IP addresses 192.168.1.1. At the same time, rename the PCS with their IP addresses. It's easy to identify them. 192.168.1.2. For the second LAN, we give Class A IP addresses 10.0.0.1. You can see the subnet mask Class A. .10.0.0.2. Let's check our connection in the LAN 1. Ping 192.168.1.2. Connection built successfully. Let's check in LAN 2. Ping 10.0.0.1. Connection built successfully. Now can connect our two LANs. Go to left bottom corner. Select network devices. Then select routers. Choose 4331 router. Under Physical tab you can see the appearance. Let's go to Config tab. You can see the router still booting. We have to wait some time. Now the boot is complete. In here you can see the gigabit Ethernet ports. Now we can connect our switches to the router. Select straight through cable. Click on the switch. Select gigabit Ethernet 1. Now click on the router. Select gigabit Ethernet 0. For the identification purpose, let's place a note here. I noted the gigabit Ethernet port. Click on the switch 2. Select gigabit Ethernet 1. Now click on the router. Select gigabit Ethernet 1. Place the note 001. Now we can add a IP address for our gigabit Ethernet ports. For the gigabit Ethernet port 000 need to give an IP address as in LAN 1. So we give 192.168.1.3. Then remember 2 on port status. For the gigabit Ethernet port 000 need to give an IP address as in LAN 2. So we give 10.0.0.3. Turn on port status. Now the connection show green. Place a note with IP addresses we given. We can easily see the IP address and port. Let's check our connection. I'm going to check the connection between PC1 and PC3. Type ping 10.0.0.1. In the ping statistics sent 4 packets but didn't receive any of them. So we can identify that the connection hasn't built. To avoid this problem we need to give the default gateway for our PCs. For the LAN 1 default gateway is 192.168.1.3, the IP address we given in the gigabit Ethernet 000. Copy this can paste in the other PC. For the LAN 2 default gateway is 10.0.0.3, the IP address we given in the gigabit Ethernet 001. Copy this can paste in the other PC. Let's check our connection. Type ping 10.0.0.1. Now it's only 1 packet loosed. Try it again. Now it's successfully built the connection. Let's try to reach a LAN 1 PC from LAN 2. Ping 192.168.1.1. It's also built. Now we have successfully connect our 2 LANs through a router. From the next lesson we will learn how to configure the router.